Shit, it's a lot in the back. How long you planning on staying here? Huh? What's your estimated, what's your ETD?
1:30. What time is it?
1:30 is your ETD. So whatever happens between now and 1:30, that's what it is.
What time is it? Do you have time?
So what's a lot to you is not a lot to me.
I was just looking at it, man. You know,
It's all about mindset.
No.
What's the difference between that and 3 houses in one day? What's the difference? Is there a difference? Are you sure about that? It's mindset, bro. You already defeated.
No.
You defeated before we even get back there. Yeah. The first thing you ready to do is call for help. We should have called reinforcements. You think I give a mother flip about reinforcements? You think I care about reinforcements? Huh?
No.
Me. You think I care about reinforcements?
No, because you can do it yourself.
I can do it myself. If it take 5 days, I'm gonna knock it out. You know why? I got the stuff to do it with. The only problem that I've ever had with this business is people. People are the problem. With this business, in my experience, it's never the work and it's never the equipment. It's always the people. And the problem is mindset. Mindset.